Annyeonghaseyo 여러분, Eris Maceda. So for today, we are going to do a video about an update on a certain item that I'm really sad about. So if you guys want to know what this update is all about, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started. So guys, ayun nga. So ayun, ang tagal kong hindi nakapag-upload, and this is the first video na na-film ko for about 2 months kasi I have really different reasons. Sobrang busy ko sa school. Lalo na yung school ko ngayon is, wait lang. Kasi yung school ko ngayon, alam niyo naman, is sa Manila na ako nag-aaral. So, yung uwi ko talaga is really late sa gabi. And, ayun. So, syempre, pagod ka na, tapos maaga papasok ko the next day. So, I really need to rest. And then, ayun, sobrang busy lang kasi president ako ng klase namin. Tapos, officer pa ako sa club. So, hindi ko talaga na-manage ng maayos yung time ko. And I really suck at time management, you guys. So, ayun, hindi ako nakakapag-upload or hindi ako nakakapag-film. But hindi dahil tungkol ng video natin. For today, itong video natin is also one of the reasons bakit hindi ako nakakapag-upload. And this is because my laptop broke. So, this is my laptop. This is the Lenovo IdeaPad 33S IKB. I bought it last September last year. And you guys, it's now broken. Sira na siya, guys, sobra. Nung una, kasi ito yung backstory niya. So, I was in school, tapos ginagamit ng papa ko yung laptop. And then, after pag-uwi ko. So, pag-uwi ko, sabi ko, Pa, I need a laptop. I have an assignment. Kasi dito ako gumagawa talaga. Assignment, edit, research, ito talaga lahat. So, I was asking for the laptop. Sabi ni Papa, hindi na nag-charge. So, I mean, ayaw na mabuksan. So, sabi ko, shit, I need to pass that assignment tomorrow. So, ito yung mali namin, sa side namin. Pinabukas namin siya sa labas, sa parang mall, dito malapit sa bahay. Pinabukas namin siya, pinacheck namin siya, like, hey, what's the problem? So, we forgot that may warranty pa pala siya. So, pinabukas namin siya, and then, knowing, nakakala namin na baka may loose parts lang sa loob, or something. Kasi kahit charge, ayaw niya na rin. Ayaw niya na magbukas, ayaw niya rin mag-charge. So, we went there, sabi niya, tas, iniwan lang namin doon, tas, winate namin, tas sabi niya, hey, nabukas na po namin. So, yun, chinek namin, okay, nabubukas na nga siya. Tapos, di ba syempre, di ka na maaalis sa isang store na hindi mo pa na-check kung nabukas lang ba siya or na-charge. So, mag-wait kami doon, and sabi namin, Kuya, ba't ang tagal niya mag-charge? Yung percentage niya is only at 12. Tapos, naging 11 pa. Sabi namin, Kuya, ang tagal, hindi ko alam bakit, hindi naman ganito katagal mag-charge yung laptop na to. So, ayan, chinek niya ulit. Few days pass by, and then sabi ni Kuya, Ma'am, kailangan palitan ng part. Sabi niya, oh, sige po, palitan niyo na po ng part. We will wait. So, ayun, hinanap naman ni Kuya yung part. Wala talaga mahanap. It's been 1 week, 2 weeks na nandun na yung laptop ko. So, yun. And then, sabi namin, pa-check na natin sa Lenovo. As in, sa service center talaga na Lenovo. Kasi kami, syempre kung hindi naman ganun kalaki yung sira, like, parang, iniisip kasi namin, diba? Iniisip talaga namin na may loose part lang siya or something. So, hindi namin naisip na baka malaking part na. So, talaga pinabukas namin sa labas. Pagdating sa Lenovo, hindi na namin magamit yung warranty. So, okay lang. Kasi, syempre, it was our fault na wala na yung warranty. Okay lang siya. And then, hindi yun na, pinacheck na namin. Alam niyo ba yung sira, guys? Motherboard. Mother effing board. Like, nakakainis. Motherboard, like, yun yung pinakamahal na part sa isang laptop na pwedeng masira. Kasi charger daw yung sira. But the problem is, sa particular model na to, is yung charger niya nakakabit sa motherboard. So, pag nasira yung charger, kailangan na rin palitan yung motherboard. I was really devastated at that time. Kasi syempre, dito ako nag-edit, guys. Sobrang bilis ko mag-edit dito. Ayun, tapos, sabi nung Lenovo Center, will talk to you if magkano yung motherboard. And then, sabi niya, pwede pa naman magamit, pero hindi na to the point na nag-charge siya. Kailangan nakasaksak lang sa outlet. So, yun naman yung sinabi sa papa ko, sa father ko. And then, ako naman, iniisip ko, pwede pang gamitin, pero nakasaksak. Kasi ginagamit pa rin namin, ganyan-ganyan. And then, one day, tumawag sa amin yung Lenovo. Sabi niya, ma'am, ang motherboard ko is 32,000. Girl! 36,000 bili namin sa laptop na to. This laptop retails for 39,000. 39,000. Almost close to 40,000. And ganun lang kadali nasira. That's not good, you guys. Kasi I'm trying to stay calm for this video, so it's not working. 32,000 yung motherboard, and ang pili namin ito is 40,000. 8,000 na lang, makakabili na ako ng bago. So, parang, para sa akin, hindi ko na i-attempt na ipagawa to if kaya ko naman bumili ng bago for the same price. Kasi, sobrang mahal talaga, guys. Imagine, we bought it September last year. It's not even September, it's just August nung nasira to. It's not even August. Parang last week of July siya nasira. Wala pa siyang 1 year. And take note, I don't use this for heavy, like, editing. Ang ginagamit ko lang, Filmora. I know someone na photographer siya, so he really uses really heavy-duty editing shits. Something like that. Talagang editing talaga siya. I don't have those. Filmora lang ako. Hindi pa nga Adobe. So, hindi pa siya Photoshop, hindi pa siya Adobe, hindi pa siya Sony Vegas. Filmora. And, hindi ko gets bakit ganun kadali nasira. So, ayun. So, I don't recommend buying anything from Lenovo anymore. Charot. I don't recommend this particular laptop. This particular laptop, please don't buy this. Kasi sobrang bilis niyang nasira, as in. So, this is the Lenovo IdeaPad 33S i14 IKP. Ang ganda sana ng specs. Ayan siya. Huwag niyo na po siyang bilhin. Mabilis siyang masira. So, yun lang guys. Update lang kasi nga, yun din yung one of the primary reasons bakit hindi ako nakapag-upload ngayon. So, ayun, see you guys. Sobrang lungkot ng video na to. But, sana naintindihan nyo ako, guys. So, see you guys in my next video. If you guys want to know my update, kasi laptop unboxing ako, nag-laptop update ako, and right now is the laptop goodbye video. So, ayun. See you guys in the next video, hopefully next week. Bye!